Welcome to another exciting kitchen gadget roundup. Today we're diving into the top 15 exclusive best-selling kitchen tools from Amazon that are guaranteed to elevate your cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love creating in the kitchen, these gadgets are must-haves that bring convenience, innovation, and style. Let's explore the tools that can transform your everyday cooking. Looking for an effortless way to preserve your food? The Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit by Yongtu is a must-have. With just a push of a button, this gadget seals your wide mouth or regular mouth mason jars, creating a vacuum that keeps your food fresh and packed with nutrients. Perfect for storing everything from salads to dry goods. It even features a built-in rechargeable battery and a portable design, making it a versatile companion for your home, kitchen, or even on the go. A smart, space-saving solution for any kitchen. The Wowbox 25 PCS Clear Plastic Drawer Organizer Set is here to help. This versatile set features 25 storage bins in 4 different sizes, perfect for decluttering your kitchen, bathroom, office, or bedroom. Whether you're organizing makeup, jewelry, office supplies, or utensils, these clear bins are designed to make your life easier. With a stackable design, they maximize your space, and the non-slip bottom ensures everything stays in place. Made from durable plastic, they're built to last, so you can keep your drawers neat and tidy for the long term. Plus, the transparent design makes it easy to find exactly what you need without the hassle. And essential for any organized home. The Godboat 2-tier dish drying rack. Designed to keep your kitchen organized, this dish rack features a unique drainboard system with its own outlet pipe, allowing water to flow directly off your dishes without pooling on your counter. Made from high-strength, anti-rust metal, this rack is durable and can handle all your dishware. It also comes with a knife holder, cup rack, and even an extra drying mat, giving you plenty of space for all your kitchen essentials. Easy to install with a simple snap fit, the Godboat drying rack not only saves space but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Perfect for anyone looking to stay organized, this gadget makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family on any occasion. The Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer 3-in-1 by TD Zumpt. This innovative design combines a sink stopper and strainer into one, making it easy to drain water, store it, and catch food residues all in one go. With just a simple push, you can operate this pop-up stopper, and the removable basket makes cleaning hassle-free. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it's built to resist rust, odors, and stains, ensuring long-lasting performance. Plus, it saves you money by reducing the need for plumbing or harmful drain cleaners. Compatible with standard US kitchen sinks, this sleek strainer is the perfect addition to keep your sink clog-free and your kitchen running smoothly. The Soon Meet Kitchen Sink Caddy. This sleek stainless steel tray offers a quick draining design to keep your countertop clean and free from mess. No manual draining required. The tray does all the work for you, making cleanup effortless. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last and withstand everyday use, including dishwasher cleaning. Its slim, compact design fits perfectly on any countertop, keeping your kitchen essentials like sponges and scrubbers neatly organized. The multi-purpose clips add extra versatility, making this caddy an essential addition to any kitchen. The cord organizer for appliances. This stick-on organizer ensures your kitchen appliance cords stay neat and tangle-free. Made from high-quality, durable rubber, it features a strong, non-toxic adhesive pad that won't leave marks behind, making it perfect for blenders, coffee makers, toasters, and more. This handy kitchen gadget is easy to install. Just clean the surface, stick it on, and wait 48 hours before use. A must-have for organizing your kitchen. It's also a great gift for anyone who enjoys keeping things tidy. The Ravs Butane Torch is the perfect addition to any kitchen or outdoor cooking setup. This well-crafted tool boasts a sturdy metal body, leak-proof inflation valve, and a heat-resistant ceramic nozzle to ensure your safety while handling intense flames. Its wide copper base keeps it stable, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. Whether you're mastering creme brulee, firing up the barbecue, or even doing craft projects, this torch is versatile enough for all tasks. And featuring an adjustable flame and easy piezo ignition system, it lights quickly and efficiently, refillable and ideal for both culinary and outdoor uses. This butane torch is a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who loves to cook or grill. The Zule Kitchen Cast Iron Orange Juice Squeezer is a professional-grade citrus juicer designed for ultimate efficiency. With its 5-inch citrus bowl, it's perfect for juicing a variety of fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, even grapefruits. Made from heavy-duty cast iron and stainless steel, the squeezer ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The leverage mechanism and comfortable grip handle allow you to extract every last drop of juice with minimal effort, while the rubberized base keeps it stable during use. Its manual design eliminates the need for electricity, making it a great addition to both home kitchens and professional settings. Cleaning is a breeze with detachable dishwasher-safe parts, and the food-grade stainless steel ensures safe juicing every time. Backed by the Zule guarantee, this citrus press is built to last and delivers hassle-free results, perfect for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, homemade juice. The Nostalgia Tabletop Electric S'mores Maker. This fun and convenient S'mores kit comes with all the essentials for perfect marshmallow roasting: 2 stainless steel forks and 4 compartment trays for graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Ideal for family nights or movie night treats. Equipped with a flameless heater, this S'mores Maker removes the need for an open flame, offering a safe, easy, and mess-free way to enjoy your favorite treat. Its compact, portable design requires just an outlet to get started. With easy to disassemble trays and a sturdy base, cleaning is quick and hassle-free. This unit brings a nostalgic charm, perfect for family gatherings or parties, and offers a fun way to enjoy the classic S'mores experience year-round. Effortlessly slice fruits with the Cock Stupid Fruit Slicer Cup. This creative kitchen gadget is perfect for strawberries, bananas, grapes, kiwis, and even boiled eggs. Equipped with 8 sharp stainless steel blades, it swiftly slices fruits into 8 even pieces, making it ideal for fruit salads, sandwiches, and more. The slicer features a large capacity cup, allowing you to cut multiple fruits at once, and a detachable blade design that ensures easy cleaning. Plus, the unique push plate at the base helps prevent food from getting stuck. Dishwasher safe and durable, this slicer is a must-have for quick, neat fruit prep in any kitchen. Hujo Refrigerator Organizer Bins. This 8-piece set of clear plastic bins is perfect for your fridge, freezer, pantry, or kitchen cabinets. Each bin measures 12.5 LX 6.3 WX 3.5H, providing ample space to neatly store fruits, condiments, drinks, and more. The clear design allows for easy visibility, saving you time when searching for items. These bins feature built-in handles for easy access, even from the back of your fridge. Made from durable, BPA-free polyethylene, they're free polyethylene, they're food safe and easy to clean, just wash by hand. Ideal for a clutter-free kitchen. The Stone Lane Coupe Dinnerware Set, a perfect blend of style and functionality. This 16-piece set, designed for service for 4, features a sleek black matte finish that makes a bold statement at any dining table. Each set includes 4 dinner plates, salad plates, bowls, and handled mugs, all crafted from durable stoneware. The postmodern lipped rim design adds a touch of sophistication, while the stoneware material provides an earthy, organic feel. Ideal for everyday use or special occasions, this dinnerware set is both dishwasher and microwave safe, making it as practical as it is stylish. Transform your dining experience with the Stone Lane Coupe Dinnerware Set and bring a touch of contemporary elegance to your table. The electric salt and pepper grinder set from Flaster Kitchen. Designed for effortless seasoning, these battery-operated grinders allow you to quickly and easily add flavor to your dishes, saving you time in the kitchen. The practical stand keeps your grinders organized and within easy reach, preventing them from getting lost in a cluttered drawer. With customizable seasoning options, you can achieve the perfect balance of salt and pepper to suit your taste. User-friendly and ideal for cooks of all ages, these grinders make seasoning a fun and enjoyable task. Plus, as a family-owned business, Flaster Kitchen is dedicated to providing exceptional, personalized customer service, treating every customer like part of the family. The Kamenstein 20-jar revolving countertop spice rack. This sleek and stylish rack, crafted from polished stainless steel with black caps, includes 20 essential spices, each housed in a glass jar with a removable sifter cap for mess-free dispensing. The rotating design ensures your spices are always within easy reach, whether on the countertop or in the cabinet. Enjoy the added benefit of free spice refills for 5 years so you never run out of your favorite seasonings. With clearly marked labels and a tiered shelf design, this spice rack makes cooking and baking more convenient and enjoyable. The Box Stand Mixer, a compact and colorful addition to any kitchen. With a 3.2 QT stainless steel bowl and a tilt head design, this mixer is perfect for small spaces and easy to store. It features 6 speeds, allowing you to mix, knead, and whip with precision, while its 4 anti-slip suckers keep the mixer steady during use. The set includes a durable aluminum dough hook, flat beater, and stainless steel whisk, all designed for effortless attachment and easy cleaning. Available in reflex blue and other vibrant colors, this mixer makes a great gift and comes with reliable customer support to ensure your satisfaction. That wraps up our list of the top 15 exclusive best-selling kitchen gadgets from Amazon. From time-saving hacks to sleek designs, these items are perfect for any kitchen enthusiast. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your favorites and upgrade your kitchen today. See you in the next video with more amazing finds.